everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. My name is Madiha Shakil Mirza. I'm an artificial intelligence engineer at Avanade, and today I'm very excited to talk about generative AI, which is a fascinating technology transforming everything across the world. Gen AI is the fastest growing consumer facing technology in history. Its influence is undeniable, and it has revolutionized all sectors, including education. From enabling personalized learning experiences to generating creative content, the potential of Gen AI in education is huge. But with great power comes great responsibility. As this technology continues to evolve and shape the future of education, it's critical to ensure that its adoption promotes equity and innovation. Achieving this requires educators and students to be equipped with the knowledge to integrate Gen AI effectively and ethically into their classrooms. Today, I'll take you on a journey to explore how Gen AI is reshaping education, the challenges that come with its integration, and the practical steps we can take to empower educators and students to harness its full potential. Generative AI's impact on education is broad and touches on various aspects of the educational experience. The adoption and usage of Gen AI in education should follow these strategies. The first strategy is that students must remain at the center of education. This strategy ensures that Gen AI should support, not replace, the student teacher interaction and connection. Schools should create a culture of innovation that encourages students and teachers to work together to experiment with new AI technologies. The second strategy is that Gen AI must enhance the educational experience. Traditional education often follows a one size fits all approach, which means some students get left behind. But Gen AI is enabling educators to tailor learning materials to fit each student's unique needs. Gen AI is not only enriching the learning experience for the students, it is also boosting productivity for teachers. Another strategy is that Gen AI must be used ethically. Gen AI must be implemented with careful oversight, and schools should educate students on responsible AI practices. The fourth one is that Gen AI tools must promote inclusive and equitable learning. The appropriate use of Gen AI should begin with human inquiry and end with human engagement. Schools must ensure that everyone has equitable access to Gen AI tools. And the fifth strategy is that educators and students must develop Gen AI literacy. Gen AI literacy includes the knowledge and skills that enable people to understand, evaluate, and use AI systems in the digital world. Schools must ensure that Gen AI literacy for educators and students must be incorporated at every educational level. Educators are at the forefront of Gen AI's cutting edge technology revolution. Their role is not only to leverage Gen AI for enhancing education, but also to teach students how to use these tools effectively. These are some recommendations which educators can use to make sure that all students are supported when using Gen AI in classrooms. The first is to promote equity, diversity, and inclusion. Gen AI should not perpetuate or exacerbate disparities among students. Gen AI tools must be used in ways that expose students to diverse ideas and perspectives and avoid the reinforcement of biases. Upholding academic integrity is extremely important. There are significant concerns regarding academic dishonesty when using Gen AI tools. Teachers should encourage students to use Gen AI ethically and ensure appropriate attribution. It is extremely crucial to safeguard learner autonomy. As Gen AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, a key danger is its potential to undermine human agency. Teachers should guide students to use Gen AI responsibly, ensuring that it complements their learning process rather than replacing it. And lastly, educational institutions should carefully monitor Gen AI tools for their ethical risks, pedagogical appropriateness, and impact on students. If Gen AI is found to be generating inappropriate content, institutions should take swift action to mitigate the issue. By following these recommendations, we can create a more equitable educational landscape where all students, regardless of their background and circumstances, can learn, grow, and thrive. As we move forward, let's work together to shape a future where technology complements, not compromises, the core values of education. Thank you so much for joining me today at GatherVerse She Summit 2025.